So I'm inside this shop, and this is one of the shops inside the Yamama Gold Market. So they have a lot of these gold flowery pendants, gold heart pendants, and then you have these pendants with the alphabets, so the Arabic alphabets and the English alphabets. And then you have ones with apple. You see the apple logo there? And then one with the Kaaba. Look at that. See, I think is that Versace and Gucci. Oh, that's nice, eh? I'm sure you'd get it for a much cheaper price than getting a piece of jewelry from Versace or Gucci. And it's the real thing too. Look at these. A whole bunch of bracelets. And they're just laying around like it's nothing. Look at them. They're just on top of one another. I love these coin bracelets. And then we got more bracelets. These ones right here. Look how gigantic these coins are. And then here you have the knockoff Cartier, but the gold version. So, are they knockoffs? They're gold knockoffs. 21 karat gold knockoffs. And then here, the Saudi bangles. Saudi bangles for weddings, I'm guessing. And then you have the colorful ones here with color. Oh no, I'm showing the video. Thank you. Oh, he's so nice. So he just came because I was pointing at it and he was trying to take them out of the case to show it to me. I think they're absolutely beautiful. Look at that. I got more. Let's try to zoom in. I don't know if it looks clear. The shops are about to open up. I think I might go run outside. Here are the gold coins. And then that's just like a little piece of gold. That's it. So look, they're opening up shop after Isha prayer.
قعدت تتحمل حتى انا والله ما قصرت معك. بس لا شو بالله خير انت بعدين ارجع.
We got these gold sets. Look at these gold rings with the blue inside. That's a little different. And then I like how simple. It's very thin, I'm sure. Or lightweight. So that can break easily and bend easily. I like that one. Excuse me. How much do these go for? The range.
يقول لي سواق سلام.
The range. What's the prices? The price.
21.
Yeah, 21. Yeah.
21 بحرين.
21 carat Bahraini. Okay.
سعودية لازردي طيبة مسار
Saudi.
شركات شركات مسار
Masar.
طيبة
Oh, the company.
لازردي
Lazurdi. Okay.
لمار.
Okay, so he's giving me the names of the companies. Okay, so how much would the price be? The price
وش الأسعار؟
between
300
300,
500
300, 500, 600. Okay,
ممكن 1000.
maybe 1,000. So which one would be 1,000?
Huh?
Which one? Which one is 1,000?
1000.
Yeah. So you guys can get an idea of 1,000 ring. Okay, so these triangular ones are 1,000. So this right here that he's pointing at. Okay, which one? That one. So the heavier, bigger ones are 1,000. Okay, and which one would be 300? 300, 200. That one?
250
250.
300 ممكن
300.
500
500.
800
Okay.
1000
1,000.
900 ممكن 50.
Okay.
يختلف.
So
1000
the smaller
200.
one is less. Small, 200, 300. Big,
small ممكن 500 600 في 300 200
yeah.
على
So
حسب.
small, like this is
this is small
250.
300 400
Yeah.
ممكن 500 كمان.
maybe 500.
this for 500
Okay.
450 this big 400
Okay. Oh, it depends. Different price. Different.
yes.
Okay. And the 18 carat, less.
8 carat 18 carat 18 carat
Okay.
21
Oh, this is 21.
yes.
So this one, is it cheaper than that one?
this dubla
Dubla.
yes.
For
21 carat
Dubla for what? For wedding? Wedding?
دبل زواج زي كذا.
Wedding, zawaj. Okay. So I have this. I did not know that those were for weddings, but I love just wearing them and putting them on my pinky. Or sorry, not my pinky. On my index finger, my middle finger. I love wearing rings on all my fingers. So I don't know, I'm trying to see if mine is in here.
What?
I don't see
What?
anything that's similar to mine, but then here, if you guys look at those circular ones, they're similar to the ones that I have. And then here you have these little cute bangles. Look at them. They're so adorable. I wonder how much these would go for. If someone wants to, hi. If someone wants to order,
this English.
Ahmed speaks English.
English.
Okay.
مهندس.
Ahmed.
مهندس.
Oh, Muhandis Ahmed. So Ahmed, if someone wants to order from America, from Canada, do you guys do delivery or ship
Where?
to maybe Canada, to America? You ship.
Yeah.
Yeah? How long does it take from here to Saudi to take to Canada? How many days?
Maybe week.
1 week?
Maybe.
And how much does it cost to send jewelry?
Jewelry.
Yeah.
I don't know because the price is
Different.
different every day.
It's different every day.
I don't
Okay.
know.
So he's saying they do deliver to America and Canada
Yeah, no problem.
and Europe. Okay. All right. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Bye. Have a good evening. Bye. So here's the name of the shop again. So they're the only ones so far that said they deliver or ship to the States into Canada, and I'm sure to other parts of the world as well. Oh, I didn't get their number. Maybe I should go back and get their number. I'll do that afterwards. If I should I do that now actually? Okay. Let me get his number. Hi. Do you have a number? Yeah. No, for the... You don't have a card?
وش النمبر؟ كارت المحل.
Yeah.
صور ابو خالد.
Okay. All right. So here. This is his store. Okay. So I guess you can call this number and then you can call and deliver.
This is my number.
Okay. So he's saying he's gonna give us his number.
والله ابو خالد لازم تشوف لك رفيق من انجليزي.
How about these small ones? These little cute ones. How much would they go for? Like 300, 400, 500?
No.
600? Yeah.
This?
Yeah, 700?
1,000.
1,000.
900.
1,000. 1,900. Okay.
You need number English or
So here?
Arabic number?
English? I think it's in English.
English.
Yeah.
ولا شيء. طيب
Okay.
اسمعي متى تبين انت
So the little baby ones are like 1,000 riyal. That's about 300. How many grams is this? Gram.
والله والله بكره اجي دبي والله.
بكره بيجي
Okay.
بضاعة من دبي.
بكره بروح ان شاء الله اسبوع والبضاعه هنا.
There we go. So that's his
اذا ما
number.
اشتريتي مري في كل جديد ان شاء الله.
So they have Instagram, Snapchat, I think, and WhatsApp. Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you. All right. So this is the shop. Oh my God, look how nice that is. I just don't know where to wear it to if I were to buy these. And this little Cuban, what are they called? Cuban links? Cuban bracelets. This kind of reminds me of a corset. There are so many options. Hello. They almost don't look real. Oh my God, I have the fake version of that. Or the bracelet of it. Not the necklace, the bracelet. Wow.